Let me show you how we can assign Google Assistant to the power button on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. The first thing that we need to do is go to the Play Store, and we want to download Google Assistant because the app itself is not installed by default. So you want to make sure that it is installed on your phone. After that, what you can do is go to the store, the Galaxy Store, and then we need to search for an app that is called Good Luck. There we go. And we want to install this app. Once it is installed, we want to now go back actually, and we're gonna go to settings. In the settings, scroll down until you find advanced features. Go to side button, and we need to choose long press, and then we need to switch from Bixby to power off menu. This is actually quite important to set it to power off. After that, we can go to Good Luck. Let's open it. Let's press agree and continue. And now over here in the list of plugins, we are looking for Routines Plus. We need to download by pressing this arrow on the right side. And once it is installed, let's wait for the installation to be done. There we go. Once it is installed, we can exit Good Luck. And this time we're gonna go back to the settings. There we go. Let's go to the main menu of settings. Scroll up and go to modes and routines. Now over here, switch to routines at the bottom. Press this plus button in the top right corner. Over here, we need to press add what will trigger this routine. Scroll all the way down to find button action in routines plus. Here we need to select the side key and then scroll down in order to choose press and hold for interaction and press done. Then let's select what should happen. So press add what this routine will do. We need to find apps. There we go, apps. So let's go to apps, open an app or do an app action, and then select Open Assistant and press done. Let's save it. We need to set up the name, so I'm gonna set it as Google Assistant. There we go. We can also set up the color and so on and so forth, but it doesn't really matter what we choose here. And then we can press done in the bottom right corner. Alright, so now we have our routine created. So now if I press and hold the power button, as you can see, we are trying to actually turn on Google Assistant, but in my case, I have set up Gemini. So if you switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, then you should be able to turn on Google Assistant. Okay, so I switched to Google Assistant, and there we go. If I press and hold, now I can use Google Assistant under the power button by pressing and holding the power button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!